Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. Mana has now also reached our support area. Yeah, no problem, all good. Yeah, even in yesterday's update, I talked about we could argue that this move up here was still a fourth wave, even though it did pull back quite strongly, but possibly possible in an ending diagonal. Okay, but either way, without getting too confused about the micro level count, I think we have a good case to be made here that we are heading down in a fifth wave. We reached our support area, and from the moment we touched that 50% Fibonacci retracement, which has been our target for weeks, yeah. Last time I talked about the beginning of this downtrend was here when it hit resistance, our channel resistance a couple of weeks ago, 3 weeks ago. And since then it has been coming down, and we are in the corrective price channel. Did give you a few targets down here. First one is 56.5, and that's where it reacted to. The current reaction isn't strong enough for me to say yet that the low is in, but from now on we need to be on high alert that the low could be in at any point. At the moment, also with just looking at Bitcoin, Ethereum, would still like to see here one more low possibly to the lower channel boundary, which will be, depending on when it happens, maybe around 52 cents, yeah, or even 49.9. We generally need to expect that it can come down to 40.5 cents. So consider all of that in your position sizing, risk management, and so on. But I would say primarily we shouldn't go down that low from what I can see, because we also have the trend channel here. Now, of course, these channels can always break, but in most cases, when you have an ABC zigzag pattern like that, the C wave would end somewhere near. It doesn't need to touch the channel support, but sometimes it does, and that's always amazing to see. But it doesn't need to go down that low or even break it. Yeah, so ideally it sort of stays in the channel and reverses somewhere in the channel. We've got also the one key target would be the 1-to-1 ratio. So an ideal target for a C wave. So again, just a reminder, in this wave 2 here, we've got an ABC structure, and that C wave can commonly reach the 1.1-to-1 ratio, the so-called proportionality target, where waves A and C have the same length. We're not far away from that. That would be my very next target, I would say 53.4 cents. Keep watching for a reversal there, but the point is scaling in, yeah? Scaling into the support area is my strategy. But yeah, that's the next support. Just looking for more targets on the way down, because we haven't seen a reversal signal yet. Just a bit of a reaction that could turn into something, yeah? Because this is now the first time that I say we could have bottomed. Yeah, could have, but we need a signal now. You know, we don't have that signal other than a few green candles, but a few green candles are not strong enough of a signal yet. Surely this could turn into a wave 1, a wave 2, and again, you know, primary expectation achieved. But to really be able to confirm to at least a reasonable degree that a low has been made here, a more substantial low, we would need to break above the wave 4 high in the first place. 61.5 cents would be the breakout above that level. And then if that happens, and we then also break above the channel resistance and the B wave resistance, which will be at 76 cents, we could look at $1 and plus here for Mana in the next few weeks. Yeah, probably more like 140, 150. Condition is, of course, that the 40.5 cent level is holding, because below that level, this setup, this 1-2 setup isn't going to work out. Okay, that's my update about Mana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.